In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to share your Monopoly Go link and get rewards is to open up the game and tap Friends at the bottom right corner of your screen. When you select the Friends and Family option, you will be able to tap the Invite button. You will get an explanation teaching you how the invite system works, but to summarize, the more people you invite, the more rewards you will unlock. As you can see, when you invite 10 friends, you will get a Mr. Monopoly figure and 150 dice. All that you have to do is to click this first option, Invite, and all the options where you can share your link will appear on your screen. All you have to do now is click or tap the Facebook icon, and this will allow you to share your Monopoly Go link on your news feed. If you want to share your Monopoly Go link with someone privately, and you don't wish to share it on your actual Facebook feed, you can also use the second option to send the invite to someone privately through Messenger. But as long as you select either of these options, you will be able to share your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. I hope I was able to help you on how to share your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.